Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. Great to see you again, friends.
Today's lesson is super useful for travelers. We're going to learn English for the airport.
Yes, real English phrases you can use when you fly. From check-in to security to boarding the plane, we'll guide you step by step.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know what to say and how to understand airport English easily.
Before we take off, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends.
Ready to fly with English?
Let's go. Let's go.
So, imagine you just arrived at a big airport. What's the first thing you do?
You find your terminal. Airports can have many terminals, like Terminal 1, 2, or 3.
You might ask, "Excuse me, where is Terminal 2? Where is Terminal 2?
Perfect. You can also say, "Can you tell me how to get to Terminal 3?
When you find your terminal, you go to the check-in desk. Here, you talk to the airline staff.
You can say, "Good morning. I'm checking in for flight BA 246 to London."
Then the staff will say, "Can I see your passport, please?" You show your passport or ticket.
They may ask, "Do you have any checked bags?" That means big bags that go inside the plane.
You can answer, "Yes, one bag," or "No, just hand luggage."
If you want a special seat, say, "Can I have a window seat, please?" Or, "Can I have an aisle seat?"
Window seat equals next to the window. Aisle seat equals next to the walkway.
Very good. Let's repeat. "Can I have a window seat, please?"
Excellent. After check-in, the staff gives you a boarding pass. It shows your seat number and gate.
Then it's time for the security check.
Wait, let's add one more phrase. Sometimes your suitcase is a little too heavy. The staff might say, "Your bag is over the weight limit."
If that happens, you can say, "Can I remove some items?" Or, "Can I pay for extra weight?"
Good to remember. And before leaving the counter, they'll say, "Have a nice flight."
You can smile and say, "Thank you."
Security is important at the airport. It can feel serious, but don't worry. Just listen carefully.
You put your bags on the belt and sometimes take off your shoes or belt.
They might say, "Please take off your shoes and put your laptop in a separate bin."
Bin means a small plastic box for your things.
They may also ask, "Do you have any liquids or electronics?"
If not, say, "No, I don't." If yes, say, "Yes, I do." They're in the bin.
Good manners always help. A smile is universal.
After security, you collect your things and check your gate number on the big screen.
The screen shows your flight number, destination, and gate. For example, gate 34.
If you can't find your gate, ask, "Excuse me, where is gate 34?
Perfect. Now you go to your gate and wait for your flight.
Sometimes you might have time before your flight. You can visit a cafe or a small shop.
Here are some phrases you can use. How much is this sandwich? Can I pay by card? Where is the restroom, please?
If you want coffee, say, "1 cappuccino, please." Or, "Can I have a bottle of water, please?"
Good. Always remember to say please and thank you.
Now you're ready to board the plane. When it's time to board, you'll hear an announcement, "Flight BA 246 is now boarding."
That means passengers can start entering the plane. Show your boarding pass again at the gate.
The staff may say, "Boarding pass, please." Then you walk onto the plane and find your seat.
If you can't find it, ask, "Excuse me, where is seat 23A?"
Good. Your bag goes in the overhead compartment. That's the space above your seat, or under the seat in front of you.
Now you're sitting. During the flight, you might need something. You can ask the flight attendant.
Say, "Excuse me, can I have some water, please?" Or, can I have a blanket, please?
If you feel cold or want a snack or need the restroom, these are the phrases to use.
The restroom on a plane is sometimes called a lavatory. Where is the lavatory, please?
Nice. If you don't feel well, you can say, I don't feel well. The attendants will help you.
Then relax and enjoy your flight.
Let's add some extra in-flight vocabulary. If you want to adjust your seat, you can say, how do I recline my seat? If you want to listen to music, say, how do I use the headphones?
When food is served, you can say, can I have chicken, please? Or, can I have vegetarian, please?
After the meal, they'll ask, tea or coffee? You can reply, tea, please.
Great job. You're doing amazing.
When the plane lands, welcome to your new country.
You now go through immigration. The officer will ask to see your passport.
They might say, purpose of your visit. You can answer, tourism, or for vacation.
They can also ask, how long will you stay? You can say, for 2 weeks.
Or, where will you stay? At the Hilton Hotel.
After immigration, go to baggage claim to get your checked bags.
Follow the signs that say baggage claim or carousel 5.
Carousel means the moving belt where your bags come out.
If your bag doesn't come, go to the lost and found desk and say, my bag is lost.
They will ask for your baggage tag. Always keep that safe.
Sometimes you also need to go through customs. They might ask, do you have anything to declare?
If you have nothing special, say, no, nothing to declare.
Then you can exit the airport and look for your taxi, family, or hotel bus.
If you take a taxi, say, to the city center, please, or to this hotel, please.
You can also ask, how long does it take? Or, how much is it?
Well done. You finished your international trip in English.
Wow, today we learned a lot, from check-in to landing.
Yes, so many useful airport phrases. Let's review together. Where is Terminal 2? Can I see your passport, please? Do you have any checked bags? Can I have a window seat, please? Where is Gate 34? Can I have some water, please? My bag is lost. I don't feel well. Nothing to declare?
Fantastic. You're ready to travel and speak English at the airport with confidence.
Before we land this episode, here's a quick travel tip. Always arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before your flight.
Yes. And keep your documents, passport, and boarding pass together in a small pouch.
If you liked today's lesson, please like, subscribe, and share.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite part of traveling?
We love reading your stories. See you next time on English with Mr. Bond.
Bye, and safe travels.